Hello, Eric here from United Performance Metals, coming to you not from my backyard this time, but from the shop, because we have some great news for you. One of our 12-foot stainless saws has been down for quite some time now, but we've got that repaired, and we've got a special guest here for you, Josh, our branch manager, to tell you a little more about it.
How you doing, everybody? Hope you're staying safe. Yes, great news with that saw back up and running. That means our lead times are going to slip back in, and you'll be able to get that good, reliable, quick service from us like you're used to. So thank you for your business and have a great day.
Be well, everybody.